Hello friends, hi, welcome back. As we discussed, the market has taken support from 16,800 to 17,000 levels. So now we can't say any direction for the market right now. So we'll see tomorrow what happens and how the option chain develops. So we'll start with the analysis first. So what we discussed technical charts and what are the candlestick patterns involved and FI data, DI data, and also option chain versus strike price, and also OI data. Okay, let's start. So weekly, as we saw yesterday, this is very early to say. So after doji there been a red candle with the gap up, so we can't say anything right now. So we'll see the day candle for now. So in the day candle, as we discussed, there is a bit of bearishness. As we expected, there is a bearishness, but as we expected, the market should take the support of this. So it still didn't reach at this point. Before that only it took the support of 16,890 85 levels or something. So for now the resistance would be 17,090 levels and also the support will be 16,828 levels. So for tomorrow and for this week the broader range will be 17,414 to 16,826, and the shorter range can be 17,180 90 levels to 18,000 to 16,820 levels. So what happened today? There has been a lot of volatility in the market. If you see in the 5 minutes, I'll see, just a second. Yeah, in 5 minutes if you see the, let me delete this. Okay, see the graph. So as we discussed the price action, if you didn't see the price action video, please check the price action video. So say this, so market opened here and it went down and it took up, so it didn't cross the previous high, so it down and it crossed the previous high, little bit of bullish, and came down and didn't cross the high. So say this, see the price action here, I'll explain you. So this is how the price action is. So for every point, see high 1, high 2, high 3, high 4, high 5 and high 6. So each high couldn't cross the previous high. This couldn't cross 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 this, which means there is a kind of higher lows. So if I draw this as a channel, say this, so touching all the three. So what the price action suggests, higher lows is a bit of bearish pattern and the lower lows, say this. So overall the market is in a bearish pattern. So this is why I asked you to check the price action video. So if you have checked the price action video, you would have taken the bearish positions today easily. So this is how the chart is. So see this, the market has given a breakout from the bearish channel, but I don't think this last minute will consider for the channel breakout. So let's see tomorrow where it opens, and if it sustains, we can think that it came out of this bearish channel for now. So market is, yeah, it's a bit volatile, but overall it's in a bearish trend that you need to get by the price action and the market structure that we discussed in that video. See this, it is completely, so if you have taken here, this is a kind of a bearish pattern. So here you could have sold any calls or something above this point, so you would have gained the good amount as a decay, because here you would have gained the maximum, but again it went up. So overall I could consider you have gained some decent decay if you see the price action. Okay, this is Nifty. So as per Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty daily graph, it's a kind of bullish. As we discussed, Bank Nifty can drag the Nifty up. ICICI Bank results were good as we discussed. So Bank Nifty, it didn't went too much down, so it took the support of 35,500 levels. That is what we discussed. This is the level we discussed, and that is where the market took support, and the next support will be like 35,100 level we expected. If it breaks this, the expectation would be the market will be taking support from here. So finally the market took support here itself, and then it gave a green good candle like 0.16% of gain in a overall day. So how is the market today? Say this, gap down, took a bit of support, and then it came back within 5 minutes. So it went in a bullish channel and it broke out the day high of 930 and it went till here, and again it consolidated a bit. If I consider this, yeah, just a second, yeah. So see this, what happened here? Yeah, see this, similar to Nifty, the Bank Nifty, even without it closed at almost a day high for the Bank Nifty. So Nifty didn't close at day high, but the Bank Nifty closed at day high. So we can expect some more up move in the Bank Nifty compared to Nifty. See the Nifty, yeah, Nifty couldn't reach the day high. Day high was at 1750 levels, but we are still at like 70 to 80 points away from day high. But whereas Bank Nifty looks bit strong compared to Nifty, and we can expect some further up move for the Bank Nifty. What are the levels to watch at? We need to watch 36,721, which is the next crucial resistance. Till then, we can expect some bit of bullish sign. For the support, you can see today's low can be the support for tomorrow also. So what you need to do, you need to book profits as and when, like 40 to 100 points you need to book as soon as possible, because the market is bit of volatile. Even if you keep the target open, it will be very hard to reach, because again it will come back and hit your stop losses. So better keep some targets and also stop loss at the same time, so that you will gain something out of it. Okay, what is the option chain suggest? Option chain suggests in Nifty 20.3 call changes and only 7 million puts have been added, and overall PCR is 0.6, which is a kind of bearishness. So what market is doing these days? So overall, actually there were put sellers, but the put sellers were temporary. In an intraday, the put sellers are coming up and they are going around 330, they are squaring off the positions. That is why the market is sustaining the high levels, but after seeing open chain, we can see the overall the market is bearish. But actually in an intraday, what is happening? The positions have been developing and again they are squaring off, giving the market some support. Again tomorrow they will come and they can support 17,000 level. So this is how right now the PE sellers conviction is, because the PE sellers don't have a conviction. So in an intraday they can have a high conviction compared to overnight risk. So see this, so again 17,000 we have 51.3 lakh contracts and 52.2 lakh contracts. Here according to option chain, the market should be above 17,000, but whereas now it is at 16,950. So for now what we can say, tomorrow again there will be a fight at 17,000 and whoever wins, so again the market will be a bit of 16,900 levels and 17,100 levels. Between those two the market will stay. So even the VIX increased to 15.9%, which is not very good sign for the markets, because as VIX increases, the uncertainty over the broader range will increase. So the premiums will also increase and also the volatility increases. So everything increases and the stop losses will be deep and the targets will be less. So this is how you need to see. So FI and DI data, so more puts than calls 3 times, so bearish, and here call sold and put also sold, so kind of equal, I guess, as per this activity. So we maybe from this we can say market can be in a broader range from 16,800 to 17,150 or 200 levels. Stocks overall, if I sold again 3,300 crores. In index futures also they have seen short build up here. So for now the overall the market is bearish, but yeah, there is some support coming in the intraday time. So if I show you the I'll show the Bank Nifty and then I'll show this. So let's see the Bank Nifty. Overall Bank Nifty calls unwinded, puts added, so which means that whatever we discussed in technical charts, that is what it is showing. So Bank Nifty is bit bullish compared to Nifty. So say this, so 36,000 is a good 35,500 is a good support, 36,000 is a decent support. Once it breaks tomorrow, if it opens above here, so all these 36,000 call writers will get unwinded and again they will come to 36,500 or 37,000. So for now this is a good support range between 36,000 and 36,500. Okay, Bank Nifty PCR goes 0.8, which is a kind of no bullish or no bearish zone, some kind of neutral zone, I guess. So let's see the multi-strike OI. So multi-strike OI, if you see whatever we are talking about, whatever I am talking about especially, so you can relate everything. So we need Nifty, right? So I'll show you the Nifty intraday. See this 17,000. 17,000. No, I don't want 5th May. I want 26th April. Why it is showing 5th May? Yaar. Just a second, I'll open again. Nifty weekly multi-strike OI. Yeah, 28th April it is showing. See this. Yeah, only 17,000 call. See the puts, for example, I'll show you the only puts for now. So see the puts. The around 12 o'clock the puts like 8.5 million, which is like 85 lakh contracts have been there at 17,000 PN, and slowly decreased and increased a bit to 75, and then again it decreased overall end. Similar to that, 16,900, 16,800 calls have been unwinded at the last minute. So overall, initially the market, see the market how it got increased till 12 o'clock. The put writing has been taken place in a very good amount. So let's see the calls how it got. See the calls. Calls were overall it increased in the initial till 12, and then it maintained, and again the call writers have also unwinded at last. But red color call 17,000 call unwinding has not been taken. Yeah, 17,000 call unwinding also taken place. So overall the market played some intraday positions. Whoever have taken the intraday position, they have squared off, and the remaining people have stayed. So that is what the option chain suggests here. So let's see, tomorrow there will be a fight between 17,000, and also in the Bank Nifty I could say there will be a bit of bullish momentum in Bank Nifty. Okay, that's it guys for today. I hope you liked it. If you like, please share to your friends also. Thank you.